Hi, everybody. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and welcome to 2026. Wow, can you believe it? A couple of things that I wanted to bring up today. This is Dr. Hendricks at the Health and Wellness Clinic, and a couple of things that have come up that I've read in some studies and different things. One of them has been since COVID. COVID is about 5 years or so ago since we were in the middle of it, and some really interesting studies have come back after COVID about vitamin D. Now, if you've been to this office enough times, especially in the wintertime and during the cold and flu season, you'll hear me say, take your vitamin D. But there's been some really interesting studies and things that have come back post-COVID. And I wanted to go over those with you. I wrote them down, if I can read my writing here. First of all, of the vitamin D deficient patients during COVID, 50% died, or 50% higher risk of death if you are highly deficient in vitamin D. 77% higher hospitalization rate if you are deficient in vitamin D. Severity of COVID was increased by 95% in those that were deficient in vitamin D. So what does that tell us? Take your vitamin D. Now, a lot of people will say, well, I get out in the sun, and vitamin D we actually get from the sun, but we don't get enough from the sun. We're not in the sun enough, especially during the cold and flu season and this time of year when it's overcast or we have the inversion. We don't get enough sun. We don't get enough vitamin D from the sun. Vitamin D in milk, if we take a cup of milk, that is about 100 to 150 IUs, which stands for international units. We need about 2,500 to 5,000 units of vitamin D every day. So that would be an awful lot of cups of milk. That would be about 30 cups of milk to get enough vitamin D to be sufficient. Now, vitamin D is very inexpensive. It comes in the little gel caps. You can get 1,000 of these things for like $10 or less. And you want to take at least 2,500 IUs a day, if not more, if you start feeling something coming on. But it was such a testimonial about the importance of vitamin D from all these results that came back during the COVID pandemic. So take your vitamin D. If you need anything, have any other questions, I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks, guys. See you at the Health and Wellness Clinic. Bye.